Yeah, I mean, by no means am I a political expert, particularly on this administration, but they do want peace. Trump is a deal maker. He's been making deals his whole life, and he's campaigned on peace. And so, if that involves China, then there'll be deals made with China. If that involves Russia, there'll be deals made with Russia from his perspective, and the European Union. And they want to move quickly and decisively towards getting to a deal. Now, there's some people that criticize the speed or the things he's offering or what's going on, but nevertheless, this administration is hell bent on peace in Ukraine as it stands right now. And so, whoever is a stakeholder, whether it be an energy stakeholder, an arms stakeholder, a combatant, or a beneficiary of gas that would flow through Ukraine, these people will be dealt with, I think, in their relative position or hard power that they have in the region.
Right. Bill, a lot of analysts are saying that, if you put everything together, and I'm talking about the core oil markets here, both the benchmarks, that the trend is one of lower oil prices and higher oil prices, given China's slowdown, given uncertainty on how India would meet its local demand, and of course, sanctions on Russian oil. And so how do you, and add to that, of course, drill, baby, drill, how can we forget that? So how do you kind of think about trading this market?
Yeah, I think, there's a short-term market that will react to, GDP growth, global GDP growth, or recessions in China or slowdowns in China. But at the end of the day, the oil majors have it right that, there's millions of barrels of decline each year. And I think it's like a Saudi Arabia that has to be drilled every year just to meet declines. And so even in recessions, a normal economic recession, nominal crude oil growth goes up, right? And so, the jockeying right now with, will we get Russian oil on the market? Is there a slowdown? These are all short-term concerns, but there has to be massive capital investment into drilling in order for us to meet future demand. And, drill baby drill is part of that, but globally there needs to be capital investment.